Hello, welcome. My name is Vanessa. I'm the founder of Prosperous Mama and I teach the Aligned CEO. Today, this training is what goes along with the meditation on how to rewire your money stories or money beliefs. So I think it is so appropriate because the start of the new year is usually when we start analyzing what goals we want to reach and maybe how last year didn't end as we wanted it to. So, if you are into it, please consider subscribing to my channel and leave me a comment if you are going to participate. So, the money meditation that I created for you guys is for you to be able to lower your brain waves and get into a state of coherence. And the reason is because, like I explained in the explanation of the meditation, for us to rewire or change our money story, that basically means to rewire our beliefs around money. And when we are feeling scared or overwhelmed, or we have thoughts of where am I going to get the next client, or how am I going to pay my bills, or it's never enough, that means that those thoughts have been so present in our life throughout our life that they become a belief. And in order to change the beliefs, we have to access what is called our programming system, our subconscious mind. It is said that our subconscious mind actually controls 95% of who we are, meaning the way that we think, how we react, how we act to something. And for us to change that belief, we need to access the operating system, and that is done through meditation because it lowers your brain waves and it allows you to impart a new belief. Basically, you will believe more that you are capable of achieving your goals, that everything is going to be okay. And what happens there is that you emit different information, and we are all energy, and what we emit is called an electromagnetic field. And that emission from that electromagnetic field is the art of manifestation. But we'll get into that in another video. What I want you to know is that if you have tried everything and maybe are still in a place where you can't see your money story change, then we're going to start rewiring that by following the meditation at least for a week. Inside of the meditation video, I explained to you guys that many times we think it's not working, I don't feel anything different. That is resistance, that is your old personality, and you have to learn to overcome that. And if you enter into your meditation with the clear intention that you're just going to allow and go through it, that is going to help. Besides that, I want you to follow these steps. So, a long time ago, I was in a moment of financial crisis, and I really felt like in a loop, like I couldn't get out of it, and I was trying to do so many things at the same time, and it was just a place that I never want to go back to. And the first thing that helped me was when you have beliefs around money or worries around money, there's a few things that you want to clear up. And it is that money loves organization. You're going to change the way that you think around it. So you're going to make sure that all of your bills are organized. It doesn't matter if you don't have the money right now to pay the bill or not. That is irrelevant. I want you to get inventory of what you owe, of your bills, and have either a spreadsheet or even just a piece of paper or on your computer. If you want to do a little extra tip, write paid on top of them with the color red. That is, according to energetics, a way to energize you receiving the money to pay the bills. The second thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that when you are paying a bill, you are grateful for paying that bill. And if the first thought that crosses your mind is, oh my God, I don't have enough, or it's so hard to come by, don't judge yourself. Just change it. Change the thought. That's all you have to do. I am so grateful. Money is always circulating around me. There's always more than enough, and you pay your bills. If you're going to change the way that you look at money. So if you truly believe that there was no scarcity around money, meaning if you truly believe that money was always circulating, then you wouldn't act in fear of it. Okay? So, and this is mainly done when you're in a moment that money may be not as present in your life as you would want it to be. We're using the energetic or universal laws in order to change. So, the second thing that I want you to do is be very grateful when you're paying someone in the supermarket, when you're putting gas, when you are paying a bill, the gratitude to being able to even pay that bill. The third thing that I would like for you to do is to give back. and you want to give back to any organization of your liking, even if it's $5, okay? You are literally opening the abundance in your life. And you have to make this a constant thing because this works immediately. So if you do this and it works right away, the week you get an unexpected payment, or you have, I don't know, sign up more clients, or somebody gives you money, you can't forget these rules. You have to make them part of your life. So give to an organization, and the more that you can, the better. But if you have to start with $5, that is okay. And then the fourth thing that I want you to really, really be mindful of is a gratitude list. Gratitude changes us physiologically. It is beyond amazing. It is incredible. The reason why we have a lot of money stories is because we feel unsafe. And when we are connecting to the frequency of gratitude, we are actually saying, this is science. Thank you because I have received. And you just write every day 10 things that you're grateful for being alive, for being able to see, to hear, to think, for having food, for having water, for having a family, for having children, for having internet, for having anything, just that. If you put these into practice, I can guarantee that you will see a change in the way that you think about money, the way that you feel about money, and the money opportunities that come to you. It's a complete game changer. If you do this along with the meditation, you are rewiring your money beliefs. That is what you're doing. So I hope that you find this helpful. Let me know if you don't have the meditation and you want it, or if you have been practicing it. Let me know how it goes and what comes up for you in that meditation. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.